Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this section we will see the next concept of a Python, that is the decorators. So decorator allows you to decorate a function. Okay, so imagine you create one function. See here, my function name is that the simple underscore func. Okay, so there is a one comment, do simple stuff and return something. So now you want to add some more functionality to it. So you have two options. First one, add the extra code, that is the functionality, to the old function. And second, create a brand new function that contains the old code and then add new code to that. So decorators can be thought of as functions which modify the functionality of another function. So they help to make you code shorter and more Pythonic. Okay, so Python has decorators that allows you to track an extra functionality to an already existing function. So they use @ operator and are they then placed on the top of the original function. Okay, so @sum underscore decorator. So here we add the some decorator which connect to some extra code and then you can add in extra functionality. Then see here, this is your function def simple underscore func. Then this is your comment, do simple stuff and return something. So to show what the @ operator is doing behind the scene, so we are also going to learn about some concepts such as passing function within the another function. Okay, so let's see some practical work. So here we open the Jupyter notebook. So first we'll give the one title. So this is your decorator. Okay, then so let's see the one example. This is my function hello. Okay, so here name is equal to, so this is name, default name Nilesh. Okay, then print hello function has been executed. Okay, then see here we call hello function. Okay, see here, this is output, hello function has been executed. Now define one more function inside this hello function. So see here, def name equal to Nilesh. Okay, then here we define one more function, def greet. Okay, then see here, print, this is the message, this is a greet function. Okay, so see here, after running this code hello, so output is that, here we change the spelling hello. Okay, see here, hello function has been executed. So make some changes. See here, so def greet, here we print the greet function. Okay, so run this code again, call the hello function. See here, output is that hello function has been executed and this is a greet function, and here this is a none. Here we print the one statement and this statement here we call. So there is no need to print statement. So see here, okay, run this code again. So see here, this is a greet function, hello function has been executed. Okay, so define the one more function in hello. See here, greet, then there is a one more function def welcome. Okay, see here, there is a one print statement, this is a welcome. Okay, here we call greet function as well as welcome function. So see here, run this code, and if you call the hello function, see here, this is the output, hello function has been executed, this is the greet function and this is a welcome. Okay, and here we print the one more statement, end of the function. See here again, this is my output. So greet and welcome are defined inside the hello function. That is, the scope is limited to the hello function. So I can only execute the greet and welcome inside of a hello. If I try to execute them outside of this hello function, see here, if you try to call welcome function, see there is an error. Okay, so this is a name welcome is not defined. So greet and welcome have the limited scope. But what if you want to access this function outside of hello? We could do is have the hello function actually return a function. So by using assign functionality, which we will see earlier at this video, so see, make some changes. So see here, this is a def hello, okay, then print hello function has been executed. So this is a greet, then welcome. We use the some if condition. So if name is equal to Nilesh, okay, here we return function, so return greet, okay, else return welcome. Okay, here we return the function, end of the function. Okay, so see here, if you call this hello function, so your default name is that the Nilesh. So here the function will return the greet function. So greet function, my output is that this is a greet function. See here, after running this code, my output is that hello function has been executed. So first we run this function, again call this hello. See, hello function has been executed, and this is a function dot greet. Now assign this hello to new variable. So my func is equal to hello. So run this code. Okay, see here, hello function has been executed. So this is the output of a hello. Okay, and the return function is assigned to this my func. Here we print my func. Okay, see here, my output is that this is a greet function. Okay, so by using this way, we call the inside function into the outside section. So see here, if you print only my func, see here, this is the function main hello dot locals greet. So this is a hello dot locals greet function. You see the description about this function. So this is the idea of being able to return a function within the another function. So let's see the one more example. So see here, we define one function def cool. Okay, then there is a def super cool. Here we return one message, return I am very cool. Okay, then here we return super cool function. See here, after running this code, so if you call the cool function, see here, output is that. So this function return the inner function. So see here, function main dot cool local super cool. Okay, so they assign this function to one variable. So obj is equal to cool. Okay, and here we call obj function. See here, my output is that I am very cool. By using obj, we call indirectly super cool function. Now we create a decorator. So see here, now we see the return function and the parameter function. So these two important tools are very useful by using the decorator. So see the one example. See here, def, this is a new decorator. Okay, parameter is that the original func. Okay, then there is one more function wrap func. Okay, here we print before function call. Okay, then call original function. Okay, this function we have to use as a parameter. Okay, call here, then print one more message after function call. So here we return the function wrap func. Okay, return wrap func, then define one more function def function need. Okay, there is a one more message print function need decorated. Okay, this is one more function define here, and call this new decorator and pass this func need as a parameter. Okay, see here, this is your new decorator function local dot the wrap function. Okay, so see this assigned to the one variable, so obj is my variable assigned. Now we print the obj. See here, my output is that before function call. Okay, here execute the original function, means that the function need. So this function we have to pass as a parameter. Okay, so func need here calling, and output is that the function need decorated, and then after function call. So this is your message. So this is your function func need. So we copy again this function, okay, and run this. If you use the decorator by using the @ new decorator, so this is your function name, and run this code. Okay, and if you call the func need, see here output is that before func call function need decorated and after function call. Okay, so this function is going to the parameter of this function. So this is the advantages of the decorator. So see here, if you remove this decorator comment, okay, run this again function need, so output is that the function need decorated. Okay, if you add this decorator, see here, after running this decorator, my output is that before function call function need decorated and after function call. So this is a very simple syntax. Okay, so here this function is goes to the parameter of this decorator function. Okay, and the output is executed in this decorator function. So by using this @ we decorate the one function and add the functionality to this existing code. So students, so try this section on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.